Come here, drop Taylor.
Still alright?
Drop Taylor, good boy. Still, Jack, still, Jack, still, Jack. Do the whistle.
Still alright? Cool, done. It's okay? Cool.
Come on, Jack, come on, Jack. Run on, look for the pass.
I said that, boys, for the kick. Will you kick in? Yeah, will you kick in? Boys! Boys, we kick. Yeah, whoever scores kicks back. Play it!
with him, Vikran. Talk to him, Vikran. Talk to him.
Spread! Switch on, Abhishek! Give it out! Well done, William. Well done. Well done. Well done, Ben. Well done, Craddock. Well done, Vic. Much better, boys, yeah? Right, remember now we're kicking, yeah? What? Right, Vic? Vic?
Leg. What leg? What top? It's your helper.
Keep coming, YOLO!
YOLO, watch your way.
Ball! Ball!
Yes.
Stay up, Vic, stay up, Vic. Tackle away. Stay out, stay out. Away from contact.
Good tackle, Ben. Hold him out, Ben. Hold him out, Ben.
One bit, up. Stay up. Stay up, Vic. Come on. Good, Vic. Come on.
Go on, Vic. Go on, Vic.
Look at the ball.
Game over.
That's fine now, you tackle now. Use it, Vic. YOLO, pick it up.
Slow. See that? Slow it down now. Wait till we're ready.
Yeah, boys, you're going to
We're
burn out.
ready.
Keep trying to go forward, you're going to burn yourselves out. Yeah, side to side, side to side.
Come, is it? Keep possession, Ben! Keep possession!
Oh. Oh. Lovely.
Right, Billy, you're going to stop Taylor as a kicker.
Tackles Billy.
Yeah, so you Marshall in 10 now, we've got to be chopped here.
Billy comes to Billy's thing on. Tell Taylor, Billy's, you know.
Taylor.
Taylor!
Who's kicking the
Will! We're kicking, yeah? We're kicking, boys. Yeah, boys, we're kicking. Okay, up 5.
Good kick
Up in the
off.
line, up in the line.
Legs in, Vikran, legs, Vikran. Don't dive in.
That's it, stay out, Vic.
Well, really good. Pull back well. Pull back well. Let's go back in. Back in.
Oh, yes! Give it a pull.
The game ends on the 20 minutes with the email. Today's next game starts at 11 and Gohala Lirasterland to drift on the timetable. Kyrie side, Kyrie 3, no game. Kyrie side, pitch number 7. Escoblanda and Erbyn Mike Gwen right boys. Kyrie Oil, pitch number 8. Seamus Beckskin, Idris Davis and Erbyn Sanganoid. Kyrie now, pitch number 9, Sanishen and Erbyn Hulford. Kyrie pitch number 7, Beckskin, Kilo Sant and Erbyn Avon